Getting started with injury triage services should not feel like a project weighed down by spreadsheets, scattered emails, and endless revisions. That's why Medcor created LaunchPoint, a modern self-service onboarding and data management experience designed to make implementation of your injury triage program faster, easier, and more accurate. Instead of relying on complex manual processes, LaunchPoint guides clients through a structured digital workflow built to simplify how organizational data is submitted and managed. That means faster onboarding, cleaner information from the start, and less administrative burden for everyone involved. For employers, carriers, and brokers, LaunchPoint brings greater visibility and control throughout the process. Clients can submit and update data more easily, track progress more clearly, and reduce the back and forth that often slows implementation down. The result is a better onboarding experience, especially for organizations managing large populations or multiple client groups. Medcor is modernizing the way injury triage services begin, replacing manual complexity with guided simplicity. Medcor LaunchPoint, modern onboarding for injury triage services.